Hello everyone, welcome to Glow Listening TR, where English becomes exciting. But stop for a moment. Don't scroll. Don't leave. Because this is not just a video. This could be the message that wakes you up. If you listen carefully, this might be the moment that changes your life forever. I'm here to tell you something real. Something most people will never say. Something that can light a fire inside you. So, let me ask you a serious question. Are you truly happy with your life right now? Not what you show others, but deep inside. If you died tomorrow, would you honestly be proud of what you achieved? If your answer is no, then listen closely. Because this is your wake-up call. Your life will not change by accident. It will not change by luck. Nothing will improve if you keep doing the same things. The life you want only comes when you decide to change. Stop living in excuses. You've been saying them for too long. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. But hear me. Excuses are not reasons. They're lies you tell yourself to avoid responsibility. And that responsibility is scary, because it means you are in control. Do you know why most people fail? It's not because they are unlucky. It's not because they are not smart. It's because they don't take action. They complain. They wait. They talk. But they never move. Successful people act, even when they are afraid, even when they are tired. Do you really think successful people had it easy? They didn't. Look at Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty, faced pain, rejection, and fear. People told her she would never make it, but she refused to listen. She worked hard, stayed focused, and believed in herself. And she became one of the most influential people in the world. So ask yourself, what is stopping you? Nothing but your mindset. Now imagine this. Close your eyes for a moment. You wake up in a beautiful home, your dream home. You look outside, and a luxury car is in your driveway. Your parents are smiling, because they don't worry anymore. You took care of them. You gave them peace. You gave them the life they dreamed for you when they worked every single day. Now, open your eyes. Does that feel impossible? It's not. This life is possible, but it needs one thing: commitment. Your habits shape your future. And here is the hard truth. Your habits are either building you or breaking you. If you spend hours watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or playing video games, you are trading your future for comfort. Time is the most valuable thing you own, and once it's gone, it never comes back. Successful people understand this. They use their time to read, to learn new skills, and to work on their dreams while everyone else is wasting it. Think about your parents for a moment. Your mother carried you for 9 months. She gave up sleep, health, and dreams to give you life. Your father worked day and night to give you food, education, and a chance to succeed. And now it is your turn. What are you doing with that chance? Don't you want to see them happy? Don't you want to give them the life they always dreamed of? Imagine your mother's face when you give her the keys to her dream house. Imagine your father's tears when you tell him he never has to work again, because you've got it covered. This is not just about money. It's about peace, love, and pride. Success requires sacrifice. And here is something you may not like. Success is not easy. It means waking up early when you want to sleep. It means working when your friends are partying. It means saying no to distractions and yes to hard work. There is a story about a young man who wanted success. He asked a wise mentor how to achieve it. The mentor took him into the water and held his head down. When the man finally came up, gasping, the mentor said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted to breathe, then you will succeed. So ask yourself, how badly do you want it? Surround yourself with winners. Look at the people around you. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Because if they are lazy, negative, or unmotivated, you will become the same. Success is not just about hard work. It's about the environment you choose. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better. And if that means walking away from toxic friends, do it. Your future is more important than their opinions. Believe in yourself. This is the most important thing you will hear today. No one else will do it for you. The world is full of doubters, critics, and haters. They will say you are not good enough, not smart enough, not capable enough. Prove them wrong. Believe in your potential, because the truth is, you can achieve more than you think. Let me tell you something about failure, because this is where many people stop. Failure is not the end. It is the beginning. Every person you admire has failed more times than you can imagine. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was cut from his high school team. Did he quit? No. He trained harder, practiced longer, and became a legend. Failure is not a wall. It is a lesson. It is a step forward if you are willing to learn from it. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Now slow down and listen. Take time for yourself. The world is loud. Social media, deadlines, messages, responsibilities, they all scream for your attention. But when was the last time you sat in silence and asked yourself, what do I really want? Do that. Take a few minutes every day to sit in silence. Breathe. Reflect. This is not wasting time. This is how you recharge your mind. Because if you don't take care of yourself, who will? And during this time, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Tell yourself, I am capable. I am worthy. I am strong. I can achieve great things. Reprogram your mind. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant will grow. If you plant fear, doubt, and negativity, your life will reflect that. But if you plant belief, confidence, and positivity, you will grow a life full of possibilities. Say it with me. I am unstoppable. I can achieve anything I want in life. Write these words down. Repeat them every day, even if it feels strange at first, because your mind believes what you feed it. So stop saying I can't and start saying I can. Now visualize your dream life. Close your eyes and see it in detail. See yourself in your dream job, earning the money you desire. See yourself walking into your own home, built with your hard work. Feel the joy of marrying the person you love and traveling the world together. Now open your eyes and remember this. Every great achievement begins in the mind. If you can see it, you can work toward it. But visualization alone is not enough. You must take action. Control your mind, and you control your life. Your mind is powerful, but if you don't control it, it will control you. How many times do negative thoughts take over your day? Thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or what if I fail? The next time these thoughts appear, stop and say, no. I decide what I think. I choose growth. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it to focus on solutions, the stronger it becomes. Listen closely. You need to hear this. You already have everything you need inside you. The only thing missing is your belief. Do you want a good job? Yes, you can get it. Do you want love, success, freedom? Yes, you can have it. The only thing stopping you is you. So step out of your own way and start believing you deserve success, happiness, and more than average. Start small. Dream big. Big dreams feel heavy, but success does not arrive all at once. It arrives step by step. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes a day. Want to improve your English? Learn 5 words a day. Want to save money? Start with a small amount. These actions seem small, but they grow. Remember, a long journey begins with one step. Be your own supporter. Stop waiting for others to motivate you. Stop waiting for approval. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am proud of myself. I am trying, and I am improving every day. You don't need permission to chase your dreams. Surround yourself with inspiration. Listen to voices that push you forward. Read books that expand your thinking. Follow people who achieved what you want. Thomas Edison failed more than 1,000 times before success, and he said he didn't fail, he learned steps to victory. Every night, ask yourself, what did I do today to get closer to my goal? And tomorrow, do more. Consistency is the key. And while you're chasing your dreams, don't forget to be grateful. Gratitude changes your mindset. It reminds you how far you've come and gives you strength to continue. Every morning, write down 3 things you are grateful for. It can be your family, your health, or simply another chance to try again. Now, this is it. Listen carefully, because if you stayed until here, you are serious about changing your life. This is the moment everything shifts. These words are meant to wake you up and push you forward. Stop settling for average life, average effort, average results. Ask yourself, are you here to live an ordinary life, or are you here to create something extraordinary? Every single day, you have a choice to ask for more from yourself or to accept less. Don't just survive. Aim higher. Stop saying, this is enough, and start saying, this is just the beginning. There is nothing wrong with dreaming big, wanting the best car, the best home, the best relationships. Go after it. People may laugh at your dreams, but remember, the ones who laugh first will clap later. If you want something great, you must give something up. Be honest. How many hours do you waste talking with people who add nothing to your life? Cut that time. Replace it with growth. Read books that expand your mind. Work on your skills. Learn every day, because your life is the result of the decisions you make daily. From the moment you wake up, you are choosing who you become. Are your choices moving you closer to your dreams or pulling you away? Decide today. Choose growth over comfort. Choose discipline over excuses. Choose courage over fear. You think you're giving your best, but you're capable of more. Every time you want to quit, push a little more. When you hear I can't, force yourself to say I can. Growth lies outside the comfort zone. If it doesn't scare you, it is not big enough. Take risks. Try. Fail. Learn. Because even failing puts you ahead of those who never try. And remember this. If you are the most motivated person in your group, you need a new group. Find people who challenge you, inspire you, and make you uncomfortable staying the same. Time is moving fast. You do not have unlimited time. Stop acting like you do. Every second you lose is gone. Imagine yourself old, looking back. Will you regret the risks you didn't take? Start living like your time matters, because it does. You are not too young, and you are not too old. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. It does not exist. The best time is now. You see successful people and think they are lucky. They are not. They worked. They struggled. They sacrificed. And you can too. Start asking yourself, why not me? Why can't I win? Why can't I build my dream life? Why can't I inspire millions? Stop doubting yourself. If others can do it, so can you. Listen closely. You are not your past. Your mistakes do not define you. Your money does not define you. Your origin does not define you. Your potential is unlimited. Every day is a chance to start again, to become better, stronger, wiser. But it starts with a decision. Stop blaming your boss, your parents, your situation. They do not control your future. You do. Take responsibility for where you are and take ownership of where you are going. No excuses, no complaints, just action. Work in silence. Let results speak. Stay focused and don't waste energy proving anything. Remember, The lion does not turn around when small dogs bark. Celebrate small wins. Woke up early? Celebrate. Finished a task? Celebrate. Success is built one win at a time. Every step forward matters. Now make this personal. Do not just listen. Write down what you will change today. What habits will you break? What goals will you chase? You have one life, one chance. Don't waste it. Dream big. Work hard. Stay focused. And never settle for less than extraordinary. The world is waiting for your story, but you must take the first step. Stop waiting. Stop making excuses. Start today. I believe in you. Now go and make it happen. You are unstoppable.